When coming, I was expecting to learn a lot of new activities to do with the children I'm with, because I always maybe fall short of ideas, and I got like more than I expected. And that was my main reason to come. And also because I think drama is a perfect way of expressing yourself and using your body and language together to learn a language. It's pretty amazing. And I also got, I was not expecting that, but I also got like a boost of self-confidence, because lots of the things that you're doing, I'm also doing them, but like shyly, you know. And now I can I really got confident and thought, yeah, like I can do it. Like I'm allowed to do this. This is a great way of teaching. It's different, but it's great, you know.
To be honest, before coming here, I was struggling the most about the structure my lessons, so especially with the children at the level of preschool. So I was very passionate about integrating puppetry, drama, storytelling into my lessons. So I had ideas in my mind, but I didn't know how to implement them and how to put them into my classes, you know. And then when I discovered you on the internet, on YouTube, so I told myself that yes, that's the course that I'm going to participate in. So now I am here, and you know, it was a long journey for me, and to be honest, the whole course was exceeded my expectations. It went beyond my expectations. So the most beautiful, the most effective thing that I got out of the course was your inspiration, your energy, your passion about teaching, and you constantly push us to learn, to produce something. I really appreciate Miranda. You are amazing, and I am very excited to go back my home and just put all my experiences into practice and share all these experiences with my students. Thank you, Miranda.
I started my courses half a year ago, and I just did it, you know, like spontaneously. Like my intuition was telling me this is wrong, this is good, this is correct, and I did it like how I felt it. And I was obviously struggling a lot, and I needed a guide, like a coach or someone who could help me. And I found your videos, and I was like, okay, I fell in love completely, immediately with you. I was like showing you to everyone, like, look, this is Miranda. I have to get to her course. I think I was even the first person who enrolled. It's funny that when you have this intense course, you think like, okay, you start at 9, then you look at the watch and it's already like 2, and like, okay, what? It really flew. The days they were intense, but we learned so much, and I have to kind of, you know, like process everything. But I have my notes, and I know that the next course that I'm doing, like maybe in 3 weeks, hopefully, I will know how to do it. I got so many questions, like I got the responses to these questions, and yeah, I feel like now I know everything.
So I decided to join this course because I've been following you for many years. I've also done, I think all of them, all the online courses, but still I felt that I didn't master the method well. I had a lot of ideas, but I didn't know how to put them well into practice. So I decided to come personally to meet you, and I'm very happy that I did, really. I liked everything of the course. I liked all the activities, being with other passionate teachers, And also I like the fact that we will continue to keep in touch with you and also with the other teachers to continue to exchange ideas and to grow. And I'm very happy.
Yeah, my challenges are organizing and keeping kids together and being consistent. And that's what I saw when I saw your videos. And I saw the spontaneity and the creativity, and I was able to say, oh, okay, I think if I learned how to do that, then my classes would go a whole lot more smoothly and the kids would learn a whole lot more. And so that's what I wanted to get from here, and that's what I think I got.
It was a challenge for me that I was thinking about this since many years, because I think that I am my own school, but I think that we need to refresh courses and to give to students a new opportunity. And when I thought this, I thought to you, Miranda, because I think that you are a great professionist, and of course, because you worked out your method. I think that when you decide to do something, you need to be in the right hands. So for me, it was a real pleasure to be here with you. You're such a beautiful and nice person, and I think that in 1 week, I feel emotional. I really got lots of things. I was out to my comfort zone, and I feel that I can start using your method and be theatrical and happy, and I hope to become not good as you, but to try to, stay a little bit close to you. But I want to say thank you, because you're really such beautiful person, you and your group, of course. Thank you so much, Miranda.
I'm not a teacher. I've never had some formal training. I've taught here and there. I've been an assistant a lot, assistant director in theater, and assistant teacher, let's say. And then, so I needed structure, because I've decided that I'd like to try this out, teaching kids English. I live in Rome, and I'm American original. So that's what I came looking for, that's what I found, lots of structured lesson planning, structured games, and the permission to play. Using specific techniques to teach language to somebody who doesn't know what you're talking about. Using also mind, body, gestures.
I just wanted to come and expected to get more ideas, to elicit more my students, and to handle better my classes with them. I couldn't expect to meet so many teachers coming from different corners of the world. I really enjoyed that. I learned a lot from them. And also, I'm going home with a package full of new ideas, how to manage a class much better. And there was something that was really rolling around my mind, and that was about skates. Now I know how to put a skate on the stage, because I did it before, but it was not the right way. Now I got the techniques. So thank you very much, Miranda, for that. I'm sorry, I'm very emotional. I really recommend the course to any teacher who needs to start from scratch, who needs to structure better her classes, who needs to elicit her students. Absolutely.
Well, I always want to help teachers in Costa Rica to improve the way they teach, to be creative, but I have no background in preschoolers. And I know that this course would give me those ideas and techniques to help teachers teach the young students. And that is what I got. I really liked that it was engaging, it was fast-paced, you are never bored, you don't have time to think about your problems back in your country. and it was very realistic, things that we can do, things that doesn't take a lot of money or a lot of time, and that is what teachers are looking for.
The course absolutely exceeded my expectations. I came here to kind of build more confidence with my teaching, to add theater to it, and Miranda just generously shared years and years of her experience with us, and it's something I'm really excited to go back to my classes and use, because it's techniques and ideas that I love. They're fun for the kids, they're fun for the teachers, and it's just going to make such a difference in my class.